Gold has been one of the best performing assets this year, rising nearly 60% in rupee terms. Many of us are rushing to buy gold in various formats, including digital gold. So, if you're investing in digital gold using platforms like Paytm, GPay, JAR, Gullak, etc., your investments are at a high risk because just 2 days ago, on 8th November 2025, SEBI has issued a clear warning that digital gold is not regulated by SEBI or RBI. If the platform shuts down, your money is not protected. Let me help you understand this. Each of these platforms set their prices on their own. When you buy digital gold, there is no accountability about how much physical gold is available at the back end. No one is regulating it. So if you compare this with a gold ETF, you actually have physical gold for every ETF unit issued. If you really want to invest in gold, then you can do it by three ways. Number one, invest in sovereign gold bonds. These are issued by the RBI and are backed by the government. They pay 2.5% annual interest and offer tax free returns if held till maturity. As of now, new issues have been stopped, but you can still buy them from the secondary market through RBI Retail Direct. Number two, invest in gold ETFs or gold mutual funds. These are regulated by SEBI. They directly track gold prices and can be easily bought or sold through your DMAT or mutual fund account. Number three, the traditional way, jewelry or physical gold, which comes with an emotional value but also 3% GST. You can buy this, but there is an issue of security. So I would suggest please rely on buying gold whenever you want using gold ETF, gold mutual funds, or physical gold.